brings you an important shift in the future of iPhone camera technology. Samsung is preparing to manufacture CMOS Image Sensors, or CIS, at its Taylor, Texas factory, a move widely linked to future iPhones. According to reports, Samsung has already begun posting job openings for technical and electrical project managers, confirming that key production infrastructure is close to installation. Critical gas and water systems, essential for semiconductor manufacturing, are being set up first, signaling a transition from planning to real execution. Samsung is also hiring engineers and technicians to operate wafer-cleaning equipment, a complex but crucial process in chip manufacturing. Cleaning alone can take up to 40% of total production time, highlighting Samsung's focus on a high-end, modern production line rather than a limited pilot facility. This level of cleanliness is vital, as even microscopic defects can affect image sensor performance, something Apple is not willing to compromise on. Reports suggest Samsung has informed Austin city authorities of plans to invest up to $19 billion at the Taylor site. This includes plant maintenance, repairs, and advanced manufacturing equipment, reinforcing that this is a long-term investment. If timelines hold, initial CIS production could begin as early as next March, though volumes will likely be limited at first. Industry discussions point to these Texas-made sensors being used for the iPhone 18, but large-scale production remains uncertain. Apple's massive sensor demand may still require support from additional suppliers. This move aligns with Apple's $100 billion U.S. manufacturing investment, helping diversify supply chains and reduce geopolitical risk. Samsung's Texas strategy isn't just a factory upgrade, it's a meaningful shift in the future of iPhones. If successful, the iPhone 18 may not only take better photos, but also reflect Apple's evolving supply chain direction. This is TECHi. Tap like, hit subscribe, and ring that bell so TECHi keeps showing up in your feed.